How to fix DNS_probe_finished_ngst domain in Chrome. Below are some tips you may try out. 1. 1.1 Restart the modem, router, or home Wi-Fi network, if any, by unplugging the power cable for 10 seconds. 1.2 Reload the page in your Chrome without cache by pressing Ctrl+Shift+R. 1.3 Refresh the Windows DNS settings with these steps. Press Windows and R, enter CMD, run CMD as admin, enter IP protocol configuration/flushtons. 2. Go to Start, type services.msc. Without quotes and look for DNS client. Right-click DNS client and click Restart. Once finished, close Chrome and reopen the web page. Should work for you. Note, Windows 8/8.1/7 uses same theory with the services.msc. But to get there, either swipe in from the right, Windows key and C, or put mouse cursor to the top right or bottom of the screen. Click search and type in services.msc. No quotes. If you're still seeing error code, DNS_probe_finished_ngst domain. Click Start, click All Programs, and then click Accessories. Right-click Command Prompt, and then click Run as Administrator. If the User Account Control dialog box appears, enter NetShare Winsock Reset Catalog and then click Continue. Restart your computer. Three. Try using the guest user and see if the problem is there. 4. Rebooted your computer and try loading the site/page later. 5. Run this command as admin, NetShare and IP reset. Last but not least, for site owners, contact your registrar, example GoDaddy, Google Domains, etc., IT admins in your workplace, or your hosting provider for more assistance. Hint, the only warning that comes back for your domain is related to PTR, and that's up to the ISP who owns the IP block, Google, to assign.